and speak to the importance of B2L. I think I opened the account allocation definitions for the first time. It was like, whoa, there's some stuff here. Like, I got to figure all this out. But after 3 meetings with Chris, 3 45-minute to 1-hour meetings, I was writing allocations in less than a few minutes.
Jack's talking about using Sage Intact's dynamic allocations module to model the compensation plans of his healthcare providers. Most use QuickBooks and Excel, and those Excel spreadsheets require monthly updates, are prone to errors, and are unavailable to the healthcare providers until the very last minute. Jack now has totally automated and completely up-to-date comp models appearing on his dashboard in his browser every day of the month, and if he chooses to, his providers can have the same, freeing accounting professionals from the beatdown that always comes with using Excel as an accounting subsystem. That's a tremendously valuable outcome.
I'll say it again, I'm certain I've said it a few times, it's anything in Intact is just a few clicks away.